Hi, my name is Charmaine Vega, and I'm here to tell you about oven barbecue chicken ideas. I'm going to show you 4 different dishes that are very quick, simple, nutritious, and very elegant looking that's quick to make. The first one is a sweet potato or a yam, you can use either one, that's baked in the oven along with the chicken, and then after it's done, what you're going to do is split the sweet potato or yam open, and then you're going to take your chicken, put it in there, and then drizzle the barbecue sauce on top. The next one I'm going to show you is going to be a chicken leg quarter, and what that is that's cooked in the oven. And then what I'm going to serve that one with is just a quick little salad where I add a couple of tangerines on the side. Again, quick, simple, nothing. Very nutritious, very healthy, and easy to digest. The next one I'm going to show you is going to be a stuffed chicken breast, and it's actually stuffed with spinach and Monterey cheese. You're going to bake that in the oven, and then you're going to serve that with the side salad. The salad that I made here is going to have tangerines with a little bit of raisins on it, and the raisins give you that extra iron that you might need, especially if it's like at the end of the day. You still may need to replenish that iron from earlier in the day. The last one I'm going to talk about is going to be one that has different sizes of chicken. They're all baked, they're baked together, and then I also baked a spaghetti squash with that one. Spaghetti squash is a vegetable instead of it being made out of flour, so a person who may not want the gluten, they can very easily have that, and that's also served with a little side salad. Very nutritious, very healthy. These are 4 dishes that are very quick to make, very nutritious, and anyone would love to have these. And as Mama Vega always says, chew on this.